Hello, Mosh, Bari here. Welcome to this video. In today's video, we will learn how you can make $100 a day easy peasy without skill, without website. Ready for this? Let's jump in. One of the easiest ways to make money is by selling something. Now, you don't have a product, you don't have skill, you don't have website. That's what your condition is. Let's see that this is your condition, and from this condition you want to make money. But there is something called funnel. Problem is, funnel means a bunch of websites, a bunch of offers, bunch of copywriting jobs, and a bunch of graphic design, a product, customer support, product delivery, and finally traffic. All these things you have to manage. Then you build a funnel, you put them together step by step. Funnel, drive traffic, spend money, test it, get results, you don't like it, change things, you test again. And companies like ClickFunnels say something like funnel hacking, which means you hack other people's funnels, which means you go and spy on what other people are doing and mimic them. And if you copy paste them, they might sue you and you will end up in the court, maybe paying a lot of money in the lawsuit. But you can avoid all this by simply becoming an affiliate. Now, problem again, an affiliate needs minimum something that I'm going to show you, but the good news is you are not going to use a website and you will not need skills, experience, absolutely nothing. You ready for this? Let's do this. So I know about funnel. I have funnels. I spend a lot of time, effort, and money to build funnels, and my affiliates make money. As you can see in the screen, this year alone, my affiliates made $281,000 from selling my products. Now, this money they made without taking any hassle of funnel building, product creation, website creation, copywriting, graphic design, product delivery, customer support, absolutely nothing. They did only two things, and I'm going to share this with you. And again, you will not need your own website and you will not need skill and experience. You will be basically hijacking other people's website. I'll show you in a moment. Let's go back to funnel because I want to share the knowledge with you because the tools are going to be free. Why not? Knowledge comes as a bonus. So I searched for a keyword perfect funnel. I felt like, hey, let's look at perfect funnel, what a perfect funnel should be. And I came to this website. This website seems to be somewhere connected to ClickFunnels. If you don't know ClickFunnels, they are one of those people who always talk about funnels. They made funnel a lot popular than it was before. So you see all these big people together, and you see content, go learn more, and then you see another page, an important, etc., video, content, then view more. Then you see cases, studies, all these pages, beautiful pages. You keep reading and reading and reading, and somewhere you'll find something. Okay, you click here, and here is where the website is taking you. All this content is built to convert the visitors into leads. Leads means now you give up your name, your email address, your phone number, and your comment. You are already half sold to enter their program. They already shortlisted you, filtered you by taking you through all those clicks. But you ended up in this page, and that is the most important page in your whole funnel, in your whole online business. Unfortunately or fortunately, this is the most boring page ever. Nobody wants to build this page and nobody wants to run through this page. But again, I told you, you don't need website, you don't need experience, and you don't need skill. I'm going to make everything shortcut. Did you like this video so far? If yes, click the like button, hit subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. So now, let's go to ClickFunnels website. What is ClickFunnels? It's a software. And look at this. They showed how many users they have, 103 users, and 1.9 billion contacts, 9.3 million funnels, and $12.8 billion processed through their system. Now, they are a funnel builder company. I have two accounts, one as a tester account. I give it away to my testers, to my newbies, interns. They try, learn, build, destroy, do whatever. I pay $97 for the test account alone. And I have another account, $297 per month. That is my main account. All my live funnels are there. So whenever someone is trained, they know what they're doing, they can enter the main account and work on building or editing the funnels. Now this is a beautiful page, and they have definitely optimized it by trying and driving immense amount of paid traffic, free traffic, and building such a big business. Now, even they exposed a beautiful funnel, a real funnel, the highest converting, most effective funnel on the landing page, showing what's a funnel. Now, in case you are not unaware of what is a funnel, then funnel is like, it's according to ClickFunnels example, McDonald's. You went there to buy a sandwich, and they will offer you a meal with a drink, with fries, and with some other items here and there. It varies from country to country. Again, when you go to pay, they will ask you whether you want to upgrade the order by taking the upsize. If you buy the drinks separately, you pay more, but if you buy the drinks as a meal or you take upsize drink, then you pay less. So to get that benefit, you take the drinks, you take the fries, you take the meal, and that is called funnel, sales funnel. Every business has sales funnel, and if they don't have, they are definitely leaving money on the table. But the good news is you don't really need a funnel of yourself, as I told you before, because affiliate marketing is there. Vendors are putting their time, effort, and money on building funnels. You can sell them as an affiliate and keep 100%, 50%, 75% of the profit depending on what the contract is. Now let's go back to the funnel thing. Okay, so now we are looking at ClickFunnels website. It's so awesome. I'm almost sold, or I want to see what's more. Let me show you what's more. Now you go through this page, go to clickfunnels.com, go through this page, and no matter what you see, no matter what you want to do or you want to read more or whatever, you will have one button coming back to you over and over and over again. And the button is this button. This button takes you to this page, and that is called a landing page, a lead page, and it wants your name and your correct email address. That's it. Now, of course, if you want to have a look at a perfect funnel or a high converting funnel in general, that this is how it's supposed to be or it should look like. But the first one is a landing page. The second one is a sales page or a content page. The third one is one-click upsell. But the first thing, you build list of subscribers by asking for their emails. That is your first job. The second job is easy. You build relationship with them by giving away what they want, what they need, so they know you as a friend, as a mentor, as someone they can buy from their recommendations. So when you recommend them something as an affiliate, they will buy and you will make money. It's that simple. It's building relationship, giving. Then once you ask, everybody will give you back. And that is why I put so much effort on these videos. I give away my softwares for free because I know when you love me, when my viewers love me, they will come back to my content, they will come back to my websites, and they will even buy from me, of course, if they need it or they feel that they want it. And I always give away a lot of bonuses, etc. But in this video, these promotions are absent. I just want to give away here so you know me, what I do and how I do. Now, here is the problem. You might be saying, Mosh, where is your promise that you said I don't need? Now let's talk about how you can make money without skill, without experience, and without a website. Link in the description will give you a software that I have recently launched. This software turns literally any website or a document or a PDF into your professionally built opt-in form or opt-in page, just like this. And you don't need any skill. I'm going to show you right now. Let's go check it out how it works. But before we go check it out, there is another limited version which is not that powerful that will turn any PDF into your opt-in page or your lead page and will drive you traffic from referral system, built-in referral system. And at the same time, you can make money by promoting affiliate offers. So let's check it out how it works, how the recent elite version works, and link in the description. Also, you will get the free version that is limited. I highly recommend you take the premium recent version because it gives you unlimited freedom. But still, if you are happy, you can take the free version as well. So let's see how it works. How Elite turns any URL or any website into your lead magnet, your opt-in page, your free traffic generation system. The ebook section, click Add ebook. Everybody's talking about iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's say we want to promote something related to iPhone 13 Pro Max. We want to hijack it. All we have to do is to copy the URL and paste it here. Click Choose a title and the website will load. Just click to choose the title and add selected content to post. Boom. Now you can edit if you want or keep it as is. Need the content of the lead magnet or your ebook, so click again and choose any section you want to add. Just click, and add selected content. You can add more, you can add less. Have a full-blown editor, you can edit it. Edit the image or any media files and change the image or media files. It's very easy to change and click OK. The image is edited. Title of the ebook or the landing page. Add front page bottom text if you want. Put your name on it. You can also import royalty-free images from Pixabay. Just search, find, and select. Page title. Add a description for the lead capture. Select your lead capture or lead page template. That's it, job done. And when you click on the link, instead of the PDF ebook, a lead page opens. To sign up to open the PDF lead magnet. And once you sign up, you will see a thank you message and a referral link for a better gift. The gift, ebook, or the lead magnet opens as a PDF. Let me show you how it generates free traffic. But once a better gift and refer another person, here is what happens. When someone joins using the referral link, that person also gets a referral URL. But this person opens this PDF, open the ebook in the form of a beautiful flip book. It's beautiful, right? So this is how Elite provides you with lead magnet, lead page, and traffic generation all under one dashboard. Did you like it? Go get it using any button on the page and we will see you inside. Okay, so did you like this software? Basically, it turns any website or PDF or Google document from URL and turns into your PDF ebook that you can use as a lead magnet or as a content or as a website if you want. And then anyone wants to open that PDF, they have to give their name and email address to you. We are adding more and more templates. They will look extremely professional. And during the launch, the price is low. Once the launch is over, the price will rise. Now the advertisement is done. The next thing you need, email templates. The templates that you're going to save as an automated system or automated follow-up and you forget about it. Then email will keep hitting the inboxes of your subscribers automatically in the correct interval and you will build relationship, you will build rapport with your audience and your subscribers and soon they will know that you are the right person to buy from and they will buy from you. See, whether you are an affiliate or a product creator or you're an e-commerce site owner or you do whatever, maybe CPA, building your own audience, building your own traffic is everything. This is the foundation, the lifeblood of internet marketing. If you don't have it and if you ignore it, then you will leave opportunities and money on the table. Sooner or later, it will hit you back. So keep building subscribers in everything you do. That should be your primary goal, to build subscribers. Whatever you do, you're on social media, build subscribers. You're on email marketing, build subscribers. You're on video marketing, build subscribers. And build subscribers in multiple places. But you can use this technology, link in the description, to share free information from other websites or other PDF or your own website or own PDF or document. And when people will see value in you and in what you do, they will join your mailing list. Then those email templates will build relationship and sell on your behalf completely automatically. So you don't need skills, website, or experience from the information you got in this video. And of course, you have to use the resources, free resources if you want, or if you want to take the premium paid resources, they're all cheap because this is the launch period, at least the time when I'm shooting this video. And when the launch is over, the price will rise, it will be monthly recurring, But at the moment, the price is one-off. You can take that one, or you can use the free resources and start building your funnel without using website, without experience, and without skills. Go do it, take action, and make money. Did you like this video or not? Whether you like this video or not, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, because we put a lot of effort to share knowledge and free stuff, free softwares with you. And when you switch on the notification bell button and subscribe, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next video. And we'll see you in the next video.